I'm going to take the hose out of the suction part, put it in the back where the air comes out. Tailpipe, taped it up, turn it on.